Hi guys, and welcome to this video all about fidgets of the spinners. Now you should have saw my preview. You should have. Please. But anyways, we're going to be so first off we have this good black fidget spinner, the white fidget spinner, the glow in the dark fidget spinner, the Batman fidget spinner, and the red fidget spinner, other red fidget spinner, the gold tri fidget spinner, and we have the Lamborghini fidget spinner. Yeah, Lamborghini. So here it comes. First, the red spins very good. So we're going to be doing some challenges at which one spins the longest and all them beautiful stuff. And what is it? What? I think I hear something. It's fidget spinners. Anyways, let's see the spin time on these fidget spinners. Oh gosh, this is not stable. Spin. It is very loud. Look at that one. This one's gonna be coming out, and now it's out. It's out. It's getting a little quieter, which is very good. Next out is the white one, Batman, and the red one. Goes out first, the white one goes out second, this one goes out third, and this Batman is now fourth. I'm sorry, Batman. I guess Batman is not that good. The red one's going strong, the black one is going strong, the gold one's going strong, and the Lamborghini gold one. Comment down below which one do you think will win? Well, which gold one do you think will win if you pick the gold? The tri gold one or the Lamborghini? Yeah. The red one looks like it's going out. Oh, the tri gold one looks like it's going out. The black one, it looks like it's going super strong. The Lamborghini one looks like it's slowing down. But it's still going fast. The tri one is now gone. The red one is going out and is now gone. No. Oh, the gold one looks like it's slowing down, but the black one is going strong. Who do you think will win? Oh, the gold Lamborghini is gone. No. And the black one is the one that wins. Let me put them in order on the ones without one. I think this one is the was it this one that was next? Then this one, and then that one. So this one was the best one. The Lamborghini second. The Tri one was next. The red one, Batman, the other red one, the white one, and the glow in the dark was the one that was last. Now, hopefully you enjoyed that video. It's probably not that long, 5 minutes. And yeah, so yeah, subscribe and also put that notification so you can get notified when the next one is coming out. And yeah, subscribe for more fidget spinners. And yeah, subscribe to the Derpy channel, and you'll be the fellow Derpians. Goodbye.